to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be doing a full party makeover tutorial which will include skin prep up, makeup and styling. So let's keep the intro short so that we can quickly get into the video. Firstly, I'm going to use a primer. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Me Normal to Dry Primer with Vitamin E. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade Warm Nude, number 128. Here I am using the setting powder from Rise and Shine Face and Eye Kit from Eyeliner. This I'm using Swiss Beauty Art Mousse eyeshadow palette in the shade This, which is more of a champagne pink shade. Next I'm using the Blush Nudes Maybelline eyeshadow palette. I'm choosing this dark brown color. So, since party houses calls for cheer and fun, glitter is always a good idea. Next I'm using a glitter eyeliner. Here I'm using Swiss Beauty Metallic Eyeliner in the shade Silver. Here I'm using Superfoods Kajal from My Glam in the shade Raven. For this I am using Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. Now for some gloss, I'll be using Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Candy Shine. the eyebrows. For this I am using Arc Arrival Brow Definer from Sugar in the shade FedEx Onyx. Next we'll just brush it out with a spoolie brush. Next, to highlight certain parts of my face, I'll be using a highlighter. Here I'm using Maybelline Master Pro Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Highlight my nose bone, tip, Cupid's bow, blush. I'll be using the same Lakme lip and cheek color. Next we'll be using a mascara. Here I'm using Maybelline the Glossy Waterproof Mascara. The more the better. If you like falsies, you can use that too. Next we'll be using a setting spray. Here I am using Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray Matte Finish. और हमारा मेकअप कंप्लीट। So for the outfit, we'll be going for a classic delicate polka dress paired with a moto leather jacket to give it a girly yet edgy look. And we'll finish it off with a pair of black boots to complete the style quotient. Bye bye till then. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे।